Hello everybody and welcome back to another video. In today's video I'm going to show you how to create group chats in Google Messages. So what I want you to do is to make sure that you have the last updates or the last version of Google Messages app, and secondly what I want you to do is to follow my steps until the end. So first, I want you to go into Google Messages, alright, and tap on it, and you will be on the app. So right here you have multiple options on the top side, and also you can see the conversations. It doesn't matter. What I want you to do is to go into the Start Chat option below, tap on it. So right here you will see your contacts, and also you will see an AI right here, and you can look for your contacts by tapping on the search bar. Also, it doesn't matter. What I want you to do is to go into create group, tap on it, and right here you can select the contacts that you want to have on your new group chats on Google Messages. So by tapping on them, they will be on the group or in the group. So let's consider that I want to make these two on the group. So after I finished, I will go into next, and I will name this group, and after that I want you to go into done. So guys, that's how to create group chats in Google Messages. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share that video with your beloved ones, and thank you so much for watching.